Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Okay, so I started this recording. Okay, so web add-in should be checked in order to develop the scripts on web-based applications. So select the web add-in and click OK button. Then it's going to bring up the QTP environment. Can you open these blinds? It's taking a long time. Okay, so this is what it is, the QTP environment, right? So now we are going to develop the scripts. So whether it's a web application or some other application, the first thing is you need to open application. So for that you are going to go to this automation, record and run settings. And now you see the web tab also added here because you checked in the web add-in. That's where you see web add-in also. Suppose if you check Java add-in there, then you see one more tab here, the Java application. Depends on what are the add-ins that you add there. So you see different tabs display in this record and run settings. So now we are going to check the web application. Obviously you have to mention the application URL because you say web application. In case of standalone or the desktop application, so we mentioned the executable file, right? Because this is a web application, we're going to talk about the application URL. So what is that application we're going to test? So if you're testing, say, Bank of America, you're going to say www.bankofamerica.com or att.com or bcbs.com, whatever it is. So in our case, like we're going to test this Mercury Tools application, say newtools.demoaat.com. So that is the URL. And again, those are the two options that displays. So the first option is record and run test on any open browser. So what this option, you have to open the application manually. So you open your browser and then type this URL. That is the first option. The second option is you open the following address when record and run session begins. That means you are asking QTP to open application using this URL. Okay, so this way you are going to mention those two things and then say apply and OK. And now you are going to hit this record button in order to record the scripts against this application. So now it's going to launch the web application using that URL. Okay, so it's trying to open the application. Seems like there is some problem with the application. Let's check. So, are you able to open the application? Anybody, can you try this one? So go to Start All Quick Test Professional Sample Applications. And then go and select this Mercury Tools website. And then see whether you're able to open the application. Seems like the site is down. Yeah. Are you able to open it? Anybody? No? Okay. Alright, so that's fine. So let's do some other application then. Feel like it should work. I don't know why it's down. Maybe they are doing some, because it's a weekend or something, they are doing some maintenance. Anyway, so let's try to do a different application. So go to record and run settings again, and then I'm going to input different URLs. Let's try this one. Okay. Okay. It's not working. Alright, so let's try a different URL. Probably like we can try the Gmail application. Okay. So what our application is, so go to record and run settings and then type here what is that URL. So we want to type say www.gmail.com, right? So that's the URL, and then click OK and then hit this record button. So that you will get the Gmail login page. Now you are going to say whatever the applications you want to use, the process is same. How you are going to record the script, right? Whether it's a web application or it's a standard application, the process is same. So you're going to record the script. You're going to insert the checkpoints, regular expressions, reusable actions, various script functions, parameterization, transactions, everything is same. So I'm going to do just one script to cover most of this functionality, so that way we can also revise what these topics are. Okay, so I'm going to record against this application to cover most of those topics. So first thing is I'm in recording mode, and then I'm going to do some of the checkpoints to verify the text and also to verify this image, the logo, how it displays on this page. So for that, I go on insert checkpoint, and then I go and display bitmap checkpoint because I'm going to verify that image. Okay, and then click on this image. This is a logo. I want to verify how this logo displayed on this page, the Google logo, right? And then so click OK button. So this is the bitmap checkpoint properties window. Click OK. So now it's going to capture this image. Okay, so that's actually the QTP captured that image, right? And then so you can click on this OK button. That's how you can insert a bitmap checkpoint to verify this logo, how it displays on this page. And also, like if you want to verify, okay, I want to see the Google approach to email, if you want to verify whether this particular text displayed on this page or not. So that also you can do with the text checkpoint, right? So go and insert a text checkpoint. Again, insert checkpoint and text checkpoint. Most of these text checkpoints are useful for web applications. So select this option and then click on top of this text. So that you will get a text checkpoint properties window. And that says like what is the text you want to verify, right? It displays in the red color here. Just to make sure what you're going to verify, and then click OK. So that way we did two checkpoints. One is to verify the image, the other one is to verify the text displayed on this page, right? So that's about the checkpoints. And now so we'll go ahead and record the script. So here, whatever that username just you want to log in, so you're going to input that. Okay. So this is the username, and the password going to input and click sign in button. I want to check. And then now it's going to log in. Alright, so it says something, that's okay. And then just I'm going to hit this not now button. One second. Seems my browser is a little bit old version. It's doing something. So let's do that. Let's wait. So that way, even when you go back and let's do that way. And you see on the background like how it's recording the script. So in case of Windows applications, like you see, these are basically it's going to say window and so on, right? Whereas in case of web applications, once you start recording the script, it says the browser, right? So browser, Gmail or something. Come on, let's say what is doing. So here I said these are proprietary things, like because I'm using Gmail, they ask me to install Chrome, and that works fast, kind of thing. Come on. It's not even responding. Okay, so anyway, like this is how the script is recorded with all these browsers, with all the checkpoints and those so on. Okay, so this is how the scripting will be done against the web application. So when it comes to this web applications, the stuff is going to be the same. So you can do, once you're done with the regular expressions and all the stuff, right? So you can You can do the parameterization part. Even if you go to the keyword view, you see the same script that's recorded, and you can do the parameterization. Okay, just I want to test with the different usernames. So all you have to do is click on this button, and then you can do the parameterization part. I want to test with different usernames. And also, like, you can do those regular expressions, everything is the same. Other than this, when it comes to the web applications, the important thing is, say, for example, when you open, say, gmail.com, right? This is a very important check for the web applications. So if you open, say, www.gmail.com, because you need to verify what are all the links that is working on this particular page, because these are the different links, right? See, even for manual also, when it comes to this web applications, you need to check whether all these links are working or any link broken. So that is the, when it comes to manual testing, it's a very laborious process because these are all the different links, right? So if you click on this link, it displays a different page and so on. Whereas when it comes to QTP automation, that you can do it very easily. The web applications, whether that all the links on this particular page is working or not. So all you have to do is, for that, you're going to check under Tools, Options, and then there is a Advanced. Go to under Tools, Options. There is an Advanced section here, and if you scroll down, there is a checkpoint. Create a checkpoint for each web page while recording. Just you need to check this checkbox, and there is a checkbox called Broken Links. You need to check these two checkboxes to check all these links are working or not. That's what. Once you are done with this setting, and then what are the pages you record in your script, the QTP is going to verify all the links. You need not verify one by one. It's going to verify what all the links that are displayed on this page, whether all those links are working or not. It's going to generate the report. That's why, like you see, whenever I start recording the scripts, the first check, what you see here, the first line in the script. So what is this check? So this is going to verify, it is a page checkpoint, and then it's going to check whether all the links are working or not. Once you do that setting, it automatically insert a checkpoint the moment you start recording the script. And whenever you run the script, say, just say, I'm going to run this script. Okay, so it opens that. Then it import that usernames and passwords and other stuff. And then now it's going to display the Gmail. Okay, so this was just I got this email link display, right? And okay, so I'm going to so let's wait. Still is trying to do something. Because previously, like, I got a different page. Now the QTP is confused. Where is that page? That's why it's waiting for that. You see, it's saying like, okay, install this Chrome, this thing, right? I got that page before when I record. Now the QTP is confused. Where is that page? Where it's gone? See, that's why it's trying to click on, it's trying to verify that. See what this button is doing? Not now click, right? So that's where it's stuck now. Because that button, that page is not displayed now. So it's still looking for that button. Anyway, so I'm going to stop this one. Okay, so now let's look at the results. Okay, so forget about that failure part. That failure is something like it's not able to find that not now button. So that's the expected thing. Okay, but here when you look at the first checkpoint, what it's going to do, this is the checkpoint. It's going to verify how many links are there in the so this is the logo, right? So whether that particular page displayed purple or not, and this is what the expected and actual results, right? So it's going to compare these two things, and then it's going to say, okay, that logo is verified successfully, and it is passed. And also there is one checkpoint. Let's see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read on the script. Just I'm going to delete the last line. So don't hit this not now button because there's nowhere displaying. I'm going to delete that one. And now let's try to run the script once again. Because it has to show the links also, how many links are working, how many links are not working, but I don't see that particular thing in the results. Okay, so this is really actually like it's something like trying to verify. Okay, let's see, it's done. And now let's try to verify the results. Okay, so this is what it's going to say here. You see, this is basically a page checkpoint for the number of links that is displayed. You see here, so it's going to tell how many links are displayed on the page, okay, on that Gmail page, and then it's going to say all these links working or not. You see, if you go to this particular page, right, it's going to verify all those links. So these are the different links. That's what is going to verify each link. Say about Gmail, right? So that is a link. Here it displayed, and then it's going to report whether that link is working or not. If it is not working, then it's going to say, hey, no, that link is broken. Right? Actually, all those links are working on this particular page. That's why it didn't report any failures. So it says like everything is working. It's not only links, it's also going to verify the number of images that is displayed on this page. Because you see, these are the different images that are displayed on this page. This is one image, this is other image, this is other image, right? And this is also an image. This is also an image. This is an image. So it's going to count all those images also, and then it says, okay, number of images displayed on this particular page is 5. And the number of links that is displayed on this page is 11. And also it's going to verify how much time it is taking to display this image, to display this page. And also it's going to detect, okay, what are these 11 links, and then whether they are working or not. And also it's going to display what are those 5 images, whether those links are and images displayed properly or not. Okay, and then now it's going to say here, okay, what's the status of each link. Okay, whether it is passed or. So this way, this is a very useful checkpoint when it comes to this web applications. Because if it is a standalone or Windows applications, you don't have any links. That's why we use this particular feature when it comes to this web application testing. Okay, so other than this, the rest of the things, like how you do it, is exactly the same thing what we discussed in the previous sessions when it comes to this web application testing. Okay, so in order to do that page checkpoints, you have to go here, Tools, Options, and then go to this Advanced section, and scroll down here, and then you see create a checkpoint for each page. You have to check this checkbox, and then check these broken links. Okay, so once you do these two checkboxes checked, then click OK, and then you can record your script. Then the QTP will automatically verify all those links and the images whether they are working, and it's going to say whether it's passed or failed. Okay. Any questions? So if you don't have any questions, probably like what you can do is you can record the scripts. Even the regular expressions I told you before, whenever you log in into this application, you see when you click on this link, this is also the other exercise for the regular expressions. Right? Whenever you test this kind of applications, say for example, you record taking this application. And then, so you're going to hit, say, this inbox link, right? So you're going to click on this link, and then it's going to display how many images are there, how many inbox, how many mails are there, right? Because this count keep changes. So whenever you record the script, against this inbox link. Okay, I'm trying to open the object repository file. See, basically, like whenever you recall the script, this is what you see in the script. So what it's saying, link inbox 431.click. So what this particular line is going to do, it's going to click on the inbox link. So tomorrow, just as it is, like whenever you run the script, so it's going to work because this link name inbox 431 is there today, but tomorrow just you read one mail, right? So you read one mail, then what is going to say, your inbox link is going to change, right? It says like 430. You see, it comes on and there are 430 mails in your inbox. Then whenever you run the script, then it says no, 431 is not there. Because now it says like the inbox 430. Then this is where actually you can think of the regular expressions, because this link name is an object that changes dynamically. So how to handle this? You are going to open your object repository and then you are going to do the regular expressions. So go to, this is the object repository, and that's where you will find inbox 431 object, right? So then what you're going to do, go to this text property and then click on this configure the value button, and then you're going to modify this, check this regular expression checkbox, say no, and now you're going to replace this 431 because that is the one changing. You're going to say inbox dot store. That's how actually you're going to do the regular expressions and then click OK. So that once you do this part, then your script won't fail.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website H2KInfosys.com. On our website H2KInfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.